welcome back to our channel Unboxing Perspectives. I am Kanika and I am here with a new book review for you. So on this channel we come together to read together and to discuss the books that we have already read. We are trying to unbox a new perspective of looking at things and how different persons have different opinion about the same thing, right? So we discuss about books, we discuss about the movie adaptations, and we discuss about all the different forms of art that we can have here. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would like to request you to please click on subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you are notified with every new book that we are reading, every new movie that we are watching, and all the art forms that we are exploring. So I will start with today's video. What we are having today is a book which is by Paul Coyle, The Winner Stands Alone. So Paul Coyle is a writer who has a very different perspective of looking at the world. So Paul Coyle is a writer who has a wide range of writing. So I have already read the books like Alchemist, which was sort of self-help book with a fictional story and the story of a man who moves along in his life searching for his dreams but ends up understanding that it's not about the end, the destination, but it's about the journey and the way you learn things in the journey. So this book, The Alchemist, has a wide range of opinions. Some people tend to like it too much, but some people are very against that book and refer it as quite a boring book. But again, as I already mentioned, that there are different perspectives of looking at the same book in a different manner, right? And another book that I have read was Witch of Portobello, which is a sort of autobiography written from different perspectives, from the views of different people the person meets. And now this one, the book which is The Winner Stands Alone, is the book which I got, and I thought that it might be of the same genre or it might be of the same pattern, but he never ceases to surprise you. So here was a book which is in the suspense thriller genre, and this book is based upon the story of a man, Igor Malev, and he is going to get his ex-girlfriend back. He is rich, he influenced people a lot, but again he is there to get his ex-girlfriend back, who goes away with a fashion icon. So now for that purpose he goes and visits Cannes Festival, which is quite well known among us and which is quite well known for the Hollywood celebrities, as well as a very wonderful program for fashion industry. So now he goes there and he wants to explore it. He wants to get his girl back and he wants to convince her, but it turns out that there are many events going on, and there is a night where there is a murder, where there is solving of mystery, where there is a series of events when they explore who killed the person, and they also expose the various atrocities and the dark side of the fashion world. So this book explores a lot, and in addition of getting a thriller and a suspense, you will also have quite a few elements which will let you explore the world around Cannes Festival, and a world where people actually go to the programs. They are all dressed up, they are all carrying on the big smiles, but they are not actually happy with what they are doing, all the fights and the struggle that they do for sustaining there. So at the end, you will not only get the thrill revealed, you will not only get the suspense revealed, but also have a tip and a self-improvement tip as well as a learning. So this is a sort of book which gives you suspense thriller plus a learning. That's quite a rare combination which can be given by, I guess, only Paul Coyle. So this is a difficult book to read if you are going with his writing style, but yes, this is a wonderful thriller, as well as you will know that, as the title suggests, the winner stands alone might not be always the correct statement. Yes, they stand alone if they are on the height, but they might be satisfied at some level, or they might be with the thing that they actually wanted. So this was the theme of this book, and I hope that you will enjoy this if you are going to read it. And I think I can give this book a 4 out of 5 stars. because of the gripping story that it has and the suspense that it reveals, as well as a way they have communicated the things, and the way of his writing is always awesome. So this was the theme of his book, and there are many other books that are recommended, but yes, his writing style is not loved overall. There are different opinions, there are different perspectives for his writing style, but this book is somewhat different. And even if you are not a great fan of Alchemist or any other book by Paul Coyle, then too you can go with this book, as this is quite a different writing style that he adopted. So if you have already read this book, do mention in the comment section and whether you liked it or not. And if you have not already read this book, then you should order it and enjoy it. And in case you have read other books by him, you can mention them in the comment section and share your reviews for this book as well. So in case you want any specific book to be reviewed, you can mention that in the comment section as well. And do mention that whether you like this approach or not. Then if you like the video, click on the like button. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon, so that you are notified with every new book that we are reading. So I will see you in the next video with another recommendations. Till then, keep dropping by your reading habits, your reading TBRs or the to be read list, and your opinion about the books that you have already read. In case you want me to review any specific book, you can also put that down in the comment section, so that we get the hints that what you actually want to know about the books. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Happy reading.